Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Clark from the Center for Hormone Health and Wellness, and I want to talk a little bit about testosterone. And the big question we often get asked is, do women need testosterone, or should women utilize testosterone? And the answer is absolutely yes. And part of the reason is that testosterone is an extremely important hormone for women. And if I could actually measure all of the testosterone that women make throughout their lifetime and compare it to the amount of estrogen they make it throughout their lifetime, we'd find that actually you make more testosterone than you do estrogen. Testosterone is there because it's so vital. And I often refer to testosterone as a vitality hormone. It's your feel good hormone. It drives libido, but it also is, am I thinking clearly? Am I resting well at night? Do I wake up well rested? It concerns joint pain, discomfort all throughout the day. So testosterone is extremely important. And finally, when we look at testosterone, it's actually protective against developing other diseases associated with aging. So if we can protect against that, for example, testosterone is one of the best ways to help prevent dementia because it protects your brain. It also protects your heart from developing heart disease. It protects your bones from developing osteoporosis, and actually is probably one of the best treatments for osteoporosis. And then finally, it actually protects your breast tissue as well. Breast cancer is extremely common phenomenon throughout for women, and subsequently, testosterone actually has been shown to help decrease the risk of breast problems, breast cancer specifically. So, is testosterone an important hormone for women? The answer is absolutely, probably more so than actually the estrogen side of the whole thing. You have more questions or want more information, just give us a yell here at the Center for Hormone Health and Wellness. The phone number 757-223-0940, or just stop in and visit us at 711 Brick Kiln Boulevard in Newport News. Have a good day, everyone. Take care.